What's going on, everyone? So just wrapped up the mechanical install part of the video not too long ago, so now we're gonna be starting on pedals and shit like that. So that's actually not even that bad to do from what it looks like. Just take all that shit off, a couple bolts, unplug some connectors, and then put the new ones in. So take some stuff off, and then we'll see how quick this will go. As you saw in the time lapse, I actually cut it because I was struggling fucking pretty bad. I was trying to get this. If you know these Mark IVs, trying to get the brake pedal off of the fucking booster is a pain in the ass. Without breaking it especially. However, I just did it. Snap ring pliers and a mirror. I'll show you when it's out, but yeah, easy way. And ladies and gentlemen, it has no fucking pedals now. Fuck you, you fucking automatic pedals. Fuck you. Let's get the real pedals in here. Actually, no, first we'll make way for the manual pedal. Hold on. Wait. That goes that way. Take one of these bad boys. Pop that out. Bam! This is where the manual pedal goes. Okay, so now I got the pedals out. I'll show you really quick what I was talking about with the snap ring pliers and shit. Or at least try to. Okay, so in the car. Ooh, I broke it. Maybe a little bit. We'll see. There's this clip here. I managed to sneak a set of snap ring pliers in. And I'm going to try and do this as best as I can. But anyway, go in here and you essentially push and spread those apart. And then all I did was yank on the pedal back a little bit. I mean, it chipped the clip a tiny bit, but not very much. Probably end up replacing it anyway. But yeah, that's how you get those off pretty simply without really fighting and swearing and all that fun stuff. So it's a new day. Not sure where I left off with this one, but I'm working on getting the shifter out with my sidekick, the SIG, who's watching very patiently. Anyway, so got the shifter out, or not out, but shift interlock cable for the stupid auto tranny thing is out, so the top bolts are out. I'm going to crawl under the car and drop it out, and then that's the last thing out of the car for the automatic, except for the cable. But I mean, big thing. So yeah, gonna do that, and then yeah. the time, as you saw, is here. The Golf has a stick shift. It's in. It's all bolted up. All I gotta do is do my cable end swap and my bracket swap. So I'll be changing out this rubber shit and then these rubber things. So I will see if I can set up a time lapse in a good spot. I'm changing those, and I've probably said it 1,000 times now. If you have a Mark IV and you haven't invested the like sub $100 in getting the fucking, whether it be from 034, CTS, whoever, tons of companies make them. If you haven't invested in the cable bracket bushings, in the cable end bushings, I don't know what your fucking problem is. Literally makes it not feel like you're shifting in a bowl of fucking mashed potatoes. Like, the best feel for a cable shift I've ever had. If you're in Canada, CTS Turbo. If you're in, their ship everywhere. Same with my friend Tim at T3 Performance. If you're in the US, anywhere. Euro Tuning, ECS, 034. Just go spend the $100. Don't fucking buy anything else. Spend the $100 or whatever it's going to cost. It's pretty cheap. Buy them, install them, love life driving your Mark IV where it doesn't feel like an absolute fucking slop fest in the transmission. So, gonna throw those in now and continue on. Well, it's another day as usual. So I think I left off, I did the shifter bushings, and today I just kind of started plugging away, and look, it's got fucking 3 pedals. I also had these kicking around. These are out of my donor car for the Jetta, the 24 valve, but it's got 3 pedals and a shifter, 3 pedals, shifter, 3 pedals, shifter. That's fucking amazing. So, still waiting on a clutch line, or like the line from the master to the slave cylinder. So waiting for that to come in still, so I can finish all that. And then I got the rain tray and stuff off right now for the wiring and crap that's got to come out. So yeah, moving along. I think I'm just gonna end it on this one. I don't know how long it is. I got lots of time lapse and stuff. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna end it here. The next one, hopefully it's up and running and we're spinning the wheels and stuff, and you know, making 5-speed things happen. So yeah, that'll be it for this. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.